OrthoTrac software, making a refund overpayment adjustment help demo. Problem: a patient's insurance has paid more than expected. Solution: in order to move the insurance balance to the patient, a transfer must be made and a refund overpayment adjustment must be posted. Let's take a look at how to refund the insurance overpayment. From the patient's chart, click the Financial Functions icon. Next, click the Adjustments icon. In the Type of Adjustment section, select Transfer. In the Type of Transfer section, select Insurance to Responsible Party. Verify that the correct insurance company and responsible party are selected. In the Transfer Amount field, enter the amount to be transferred. Enter an explanation for the transfer in the Comment field and click the Post icon. Next, to refund the overpayment to the patient, click the Adjustments icon. In the Type of Adjustment section, select Refund Overpayment. In the Refund Amount field, enter the amount to be refunded to the patient. Enter an explanation for the refund in the Comment field, for instance, the name of the patient you're refunding and the check number. Then click Post. This concludes the help demo, making a refund overpayment adjustment.